felt like winter was finally starting to turn the corner. We have another major winter storm on the radar.
Yes, we do. As Samantha Cheney shows us, homeowners are running out to restock the essentials.
Well, here in Gardner, we've seen trucks hitting the roads, plowing this snow, and people shopping at the stores, getting last-minute essential items that they say they'll need to get through this snowy weekend.
You got one for me already?
I got one for you
Well,
right
I'll
here.
take that, buddy. You are right on point.
Preparing for tonight's storm and the threat of one that's worse on Monday.
Look, let's look at this. Look at this. Again?
Alfonso Wilson hit the Abashan hardware store tonight. And what are you coming in here to buy today?
Ice melt. Definitely ice melt.
It's been a cold, wet, and snowy winter so far. And just like others in Gardner, he says he's had enough of the bad weather.
This is not so bad, but it's been constant. So, you know, I'm getting kind of tired of it.
Some days it's 1 inch, some days it's the size of Mount Everest, which is just lovely, isn't it?
Today, employees of the store say it's been busier than usual. What have you seen people buying the most?
Right now it's ice melt and shovels. If we had snow blowers, we'd be doing snow blowers, but we're sold out of those right now.
Heating pellets, we're like completely sold out of those, so at least people are prepared to stay warm.
And as ready as Wilson may be, with weather like this, he says he'll never truly feel prepared enough. And for the people who are like, oh, it's New England, you should be used to it by now. What do you think about that?
Stop. Please stop. just let that go. No more you should be used to it. We're not used to it, okay?
Here in Gardner, I'm Samantha Cheney, WBZ News.